In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instant Data Scraper to Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can access the browser tools without any issues. Once you're on the main browser window, the next step is to go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are available, so it's the safest and easiest way to install the tool. When the Chrome Web Store opens, look for the search box near the top of the page. Click into it, type Instant Data Scraper, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results for matching extensions. From the results list, select Instant Data Scraper. Be sure you're clicking the correct extension so you install the one you actually need. After opening the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation window asking if you want to continue with the installation. In that window, click Add Extension. This confirms that you want Chrome to install the extension in your browser. Now give it a moment to finish installing. The process usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's complete, the extension will be added to Chrome automatically. If you don't immediately see it in your toolbar, that's normal because some extensions stay tucked away inside the extensions menu by default. If you want easier access, you can pin the extension to your toolbar. To do that, click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece in the Chrome toolbar. In the list that appears, find Instant Data Scraper. Next to it, click the pin icon. Once you do that, the extension will stay visible in the toolbar, which can save time whenever you want to use it. To verify that everything installed correctly, click the extensions icon again and check that Instant Data Scraper appears in your installed extensions list. This is a quick way to confirm the setup was successful. When you're ready to use it, open a web page that contains table data or list data, then click the Instant Data Scraper extension icon. This will open the tool so you can begin extracting information from the page. If the page has structured data, the extension can help identify it quickly and make the scraping process much more convenient. And that's it. You've successfully added Instant Data Scraper to Chrome and confirmed that it's ready to use.